In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly with this beginner's guide. Whether you're writing for work, school, or personal projects, Grammarly can help improve your writing by providing suggestions for correcting errors and enhancing clarity. Let's dive right in. First, you want to start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, just type Grammarly and hit enter. You'll see the official Grammarly website listed in the results. Click on it. Once you're on the Grammarly homepage, look for an option that says Get Grammarly. This is where you can start the process of using Grammarly. Next, you'll need to sign up for an account. If you don't already have a Grammarly account, go ahead and create one using your favorite email address. It's a quick and easy process. If you do have an account already, simply log in by entering your email and clicking Continue. If you want to make things quicker, you can also click Continue with Google if you prefer to log in using your Google credentials. Once you're logged into Grammarly, you'll land on the Grammarly homepage. From here, navigate over to the Apps section. This is where you can access different tools that Grammarly offers. For those of you using Windows, you can click on the option to install the Grammarly app for Windows. This will allow you to use Grammarly across many of your desktop applications seamlessly. After installing the Grammarly app, you will still want to ensure you have it ready to use in your browser. Head back to the Apps section and click on Install for Chrome if you're using the Chrome browser. Once it's installed, click on Add to Chrome to ensure that the extension is fully integrated into your web browser. Don't forget to add Grammarly to your extensions bar by clicking on Add Extension, and then pin it for easy access. With Grammarly installed, you can open up a Google Doc and start using it straight away. Simply launch a new or existing document and click on the Grammarly icon within the document interface. This opens up Grammarly's suggestions feature. As you type, Grammarly will provide real-time feedback and suggestions directly on your screen. To apply these improvements, click on the suggestions that appear. As you continue working, Grammarly will guide you with suggestions to help refine and enhance your writing. By following these steps, you can harness the power of Grammarly to create clearer, more effective written communication across all of your projects. Now that you're set up, it's time to start writing and let Grammarly take your work to the next level. Happy writing!